blizzard! Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. I did a cookie swap collab with the Vineyard Chicks, Seed Faith Homestead, and Adventures on the Homestead. And I have my bounty here. We've already maybe indulged a little bit, but I'm gonna pull out the cookies and show you how beautiful they are and how well they traveled. Granted, we've eaten some of them, so just, you know. These are amazing triple chocolate turtle cookies. They are so ooey gooey delicious. And then these guys are beautiful. I already ate some, so. They are a lemon white chocolate cookie. So lemony. I mean, I love lemon. They hit all the notes. And then the Vineyard Chicks sent these Biscotti, and they are beautiful. They have an amazing crisp. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Definitely trying these too. I love all of these. All right, if you have not checked out these collab cookie videos, go check them out, send them some love, and we will see you next Christmas, maybe for another collab video. Merry Christmas, guys.
See you next Christmas?
Do another cookie collab with Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. I'm Rachel, and I am gonna open my collab cookie, what's it called?
Christmas cookie
my
swap
Christmas cookie swap collab that we did.
You might want to try that again. I was talking to the